Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today is Thursday and the date is 14th of January 2021. This is your mathematics class and I'm your maths teacher, Miss Amara. My dear students, today we shall learn about the conversion of decimals into mixed numbers. So let's learn through some examples. Here you can see that we have 0.7 and if we want to change it in the fraction form, it will be 7 upon 10. And if we have 2.7, it will be 2 whole 7 upon 10. And my dear students, a decimal with any digit to the left of the decimal point, it always indicates the whole number and some parts of the whole. Like if we have a number 2.75 or 2 and 75 hundredths, we can see that 2 is the whole number and 75 hundredths is the some parts that we have selected from 100. So when you are converting a number with digits both to the left and right of the decimal point, only convert the decimal or the digits that are present on the right side and leave the whole number the same, only we have to convert the decimal. What is 1.2 as a fraction? Here 1 is the whole number and 2 is the decimal part. So we have to keep 1 as same. We have to change only 0.2 and if we want to write it in the form of fraction, it will be 2 upon 10 because after decimal there is only one digit. So in the denominator there will be 10. And if we want to simplify it, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 2 and we can get the answer as 1 whole 1 upon 5. What is 3.25 as a fraction? So here 3 is the whole number, so we have to write it as same. 0.25 will be 25 upon 100 because after decimal point there are two digits, so in the denominator there will be 100. For simplification, we can divide the numerator and denominator by 25 and we get our answer as 3 whole 1 upon 4. Let's learn through one more example. What is 25.4 as a fraction? So here 25 is the whole number and 0.4 will be 4 upon 10. And if we want to simplify it, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 2 and we get 2 upon 5 and our final answer will be 25 whole 2 upon 5. Here is one more example. What is 130.21 as a fraction? So 0.21 will be 21 by 100 and we cannot reduce this fraction because 21 and 100, they have no common factor. There is not any number that can divide both these. So our final answer will be 130 whole 21 upon 100. So my dear students, I hope you all understood about the conversion of decimal numbers into fraction. So now open your notebooks, draw the margin line. But before that, there are some points that we should remember. A decimal with the whole part can be written as a mixed number. If we have the decimal number and we don't have its whole part, we cannot write it in the form of mixed number. In decimals, the digits to the left of the decimal point represents the whole part and the digits to the right of the decimal point represents the decimal or fraction part. And the third point is to convert a decimal to a mixed number. leave the whole number as same, and we have to convert only the decimal part. And the fourth is to reduce the fraction after changing from decimal form. If we can reduce, but if we cannot reduce, we have to write as same. I hope you all have taken out your notebooks. You have drawn the margin line. Write down the topic and page number and try to solve question number 3. Write as mixed numbers. We have A, B, C and D part of this question, and you have to do all these 4 parts in your notebooks. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Yes, it's true, because if we are doing a mistake, it means we are trying something. But if we are saying that we are not making any mistake, it means how we can try anything new. Thank you all of you, my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.